Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In this guide video, I'm gonna teach you how you can redeem the gift card of Domino's. So watch this video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and turn on the notifications to never miss any upcoming uploads. Firstly, head over to your browser. Then in the search bar, type in dominos.com. As soon as you do that, the Domino's website will open. Now choose the country where you're from. Now as soon as you choose your country, you can see the website of your country will open, which will all look kind of similar. From there, you need to go to gift cards. Then again click on gift card. Now if you scroll down, you can see an option where you can enter your card number. Then enter in your card PIN. After that, enter in your mobile number. After that's done, you can click on I'm not a robot. Then click on get OTP. Then you will get a one-time password on your mobile device, which you will need to enter on the next page, which will open after you click on get OTP. After you do that, you will successfully redeem your Domino's gift card. So those were the few easy steps to redeem your Domino's gift card. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we'll be soon back with more videos such like this. Thank you for watching.